Hey there, this one I want to talk about the risk management, why I think it's super important, and why based on my experience, which is quite a lot, more than 13 years of trading on different markets, commodities, forex, futures, any, and you name it, I understood that risk management is the key of success. Of course, having a good strategy is super important, but considering your risks and not falling into your emotions, it's even better because emotions mostly are or excitement or fear. That both are quite bad in trading because, for example, if we talk about the emotional state where you are excited, the price is going up, is you are making money, you don't really understand where you are going to be taking your profits because you think it's going up, and in like this it can go down as well, mostly in cryptocurrencies. And the same goes for the fear, because if the market is going against you and you have placed your stop loss, never touch it. Never ever. You are gonna regret it if you start touching your stop losses. Let me try to lower it, and you see that instead of risking 1% of your capital, you are losing 50% of your capital because it's kind of no, I'm not letting this trade go away. I'm gonna win this, and it's kind of a casino mentality where you are trying to keep something that is against you. It's kind of you're navigating against the waves. It's impossible. On the long run, you are not gonna do that. So that's why you need first of all understand the strategy. Where is your entry level, stop loss, why stop loss here and not there, and why the take profit here or not there. About the take profit, I would like to say that you can take 50% of your profits as soon as it went a decent level of trajectory trend. Okay, I would say that once I get, let's say, 50% of whatever I placed in crypto, right? Then it's time to take profits, 50%, and let the other run and see how it goes. For example, let me just give you an idea. If my trading is here, okay, I entered here, my price projection, let's say it's all the way up here, what I'm gonna be doing is that the 50% of this run, which is about this level, I'm gonna be taking out 50%, and the other 50% I'm gonna let it run. So here 50%, the other one is gonna go up, and from here, let's say the stop loss, I'm gonna be putting the stop loss all the way here, basically making sure that I have no risk involved on my trading. If it goes up, then perfect. If it doesn't go up, at least you are in break even, and if your stop gets touched, you got some profits. That's super important to understand. The other thing, again, as I said before, if for example you have, it happened to me lots of times where I thought, for example, let me show you. I got a trade here and my stop loss was all around about here. What I did, basically it was kind of up and down. I said, I'm not sure this is gonna go, most probably up, because I'm sure that this cannot go down and whatever. And it started going down. What I did, even myself, I lowered to here. And what happened basically is that instead of losing, let's say $100, I lost $200, and it took my money just because I wasn't prepared for this trade, because I didn't really prepare the movements. And basically, as that happens a lot, and sometimes people can just say, you know what, I'm gonna delete the stop loss, I don't need that, I will let it run. The problem with that is that if you don't have enough cash, which most of the people doesn't have, it's gonna go draining, and the margin is gonna go up and up. And as soon as your margin level reaches the maximum amount, it's gonna liquidate everything and you are gonna be sitting with nothing. And I always like to say is that it's better to lose something and prepare for the next one than have zero money to invest and lose huge potential trades. For example, here, this one, because I think definitely from here at 96,000 Bitcoin is gonna go up. Yeah, that's pretty simple, I would say, but simplicity doesn't mean that we traders follow the rules most of the times. I try to follow the rules. And one important thing that why I changed to Altrady is that they have basically everything integrated. Instead of going and trading in Binance or other KuCoin or whatever trading platform you are using, these platforms allows you directly to say, for example, I want 10% to risk 10%, 5%, whatever percent you want here. I want the first target, you can put 2-3 targets. Okay, I want a first target 30% out, second target, third target. You can put stop losses, trailing stops, that it's going up. So the beauty is that you can directly trade on this, and it's super easy to trade. And because you have a visually appealing chart where you see clearly that this is my stop loss, this is my take profit, and this is my strategy, you just let it go and forget about that. Of course, not forgetting forever, but at least you already did what you had to do, and let it run and see how it goes. Always try to not touch anything. Never go to the 1 minute chart. Let me see what happens here. 5 minute chart, 15-minute chart, because that's gonna be consuming too much energy and you are gonna be just all day like looking the chart and doing nothing. So forget about the chart, put your perfect strategy in place with the different stop losses, take profits, and hopefully you are gonna be enjoying better the trading. Thanks a lot. If you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing, because I'm starting this channel and I'm gonna be being as transparent as possible, okay? So you can take advantage of it if you like it. Thank you.